Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Hack Trip Easy. Today, we're diving into the ultimate travel hacks for your upcoming trip to beautiful Switzerland. Whether you're planning your first visit or you're a seasoned globetrotter, this episode is jam-packed with all the essential info you need before you embark on your Swiss adventure. We'll highlight must-visit locations from the breathtaking peaks of the Swiss Alps to the tranquil shores of Lake Geneva. But we won't stop there. We'll also discuss the delicious Swiss delicacies you simply must try. Think rich fondue and mouth-watering chocolate. And of course, safety first. I'll be sharing valuable tips on how to avoid common scams so you can enjoy your trip without any worries. So, grab your notepad and stay tuned as we uncover the best places to visit, the tasty foods to sample, and insider tips to make your journey remarkable. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started on your adventure in Switzerland. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel hacks and tips. Let's dive in. Switzerland is renowned for its breathtaking alpine scenery. The country boasts vibrant cities that offer a rich cultural experience. Swiss cuisine is celebrated for its delectable flavors and unique culinary traditions. Switzerland provides a unique combination of cultural richness and natural beauty. Travelers can explore numerous attractions and engage in diverse experiences. These elements collectively ensure an unforgettable adventure for visitors. Switzerland is best visited between June and September for warm weather. This period is ideal for activities like hiking and sightseeing. The winter season, from December to March, caters to winter sports enthusiasts. During winter, the Swiss Alps offer excellent conditions for skiing and snowboarding. Therefore, the best time to visit depends on preferred activities and weather conditions. Shoulder seasons, such as late spring and early autumn, offer unique travel opportunities. One key advantage is the reduced number of tourists compared to peak seasons. This decrease in crowds allows for a more relaxed and intimate travel experience. Shoulder seasons often showcase beautiful scenery with seasonal changes. Travel during these times can also be more budget-friendly. Lower prices on accommodations and activities make travel more accessible. Zurich is the largest city in Switzerland. The city features a picturesque old town area. Zurich is known for its vibrant arts scene. Lake Zurich and Bahnhofstrasse are popular attractions. Lucerne is a charming city situated by a picturesque lake. The city is beautifully surrounded by mountains, enhancing its scenic appeal. One of Lucerne's key attractions is the Chapel Bridge, a historic landmark. Another notable site is the Lion Monument, a poignant sculpture. Visitors can also enjoy a scenic cogwheel train trip to Mount Pilatus. Mount Pilatus offers incredible panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Interlaken is known as the adventure capital of Switzerland. The town is situated between the Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau mountains. These mountains provide a stunning backdrop to the town. Interlaken is an ideal location for outdoor activities. Popular activities include hiking in the surrounding mountains. Paragliding is another common activity, offering views of the landscape. Jungfraujoch, known as the Top of Europe, is a must-visit destination in Interlaken. It features the highest railway station in Europe. Visitors can experience breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The location offers a unique alpine experience at a high altitude. Zermatt is located at the base of the iconic Matterhorn. The village offers a quintessential mountain experience. Skiing is a popular activity during the winter months. Hiking is a favored pastime in the warmer seasons. Zermatt is a car-free village, enhancing its charm. The absence of cars makes Zermatt ideal for leisurely walks. Geneva provides an introduction to Swiss culture and international influence. The Jet d'Eau is a prominent landmark, symbolizing the city's identity. The historic Old Town showcases well-preserved architecture and cultural heritage. Geneva is a hub for numerous international organizations. The city is characterized by its cultural diversity, reflecting its global role. Fondue is a traditional Swiss dish celebrated for its communal dining experience. It is primarily made from melted cheese, creating a warm and inviting dish. The cheese is typically served in a communal pot, maintaining its melted consistency. Bread is the most common accompaniment, used for dipping into the melted cheese. The act of sharing fondue fosters a sense of togetherness and warmth. Fondue exemplifies Swiss culinary tradition, highlighting the country's rich cheese heritage. Raclette is a Swiss dish involving melting cheese and scraping it onto food. The dish typically includes potatoes and pickles as accompaniments. The melted cheese is scraped directly onto the potatoes and pickles. This creates a savory and comforting meal. Raclette showcases Swiss cheese-making traditions. It provides a unique and interactive dining experience. Switzerland is world-renowned for its exquisite chocolate. Local chocolatiers offer a variety of pralines and truffles. These chocolates showcase the artistry of Swiss chocolate makers. Sampling these chocolates provides a taste of Swiss culinary excellence. Rösti is a traditional Swiss potato dish. It can be served as a side dish to accompany various meals. Rösti can also be enhanced as a main course with toppings. Common toppings include cheese, fried eggs, or other savory ingredients. Switzerland boasts a comprehensive and reliable public transportation network. The Swiss Travel Pass provides unlimited access to this network. This pass covers travel on trains throughout the country. It also includes bus routes connecting various destinations. Boat trips on Swiss lakes and rivers are also part of the coverage. Many museums offer free entry to Swiss Travel Pass holders. Train travel provides opportunities to view spectacular scenery. The journey itself becomes a source of enjoyment. Moving between destinations offers continuous visual experiences. Mountain views enhance the travel experience. The scenery makes the trip as valuable as the destination. Enjoyment is derived from the changing landscapes. Trams and buses offer convenient and affordable transportation options in urban areas. These public transit systems facilitate easy navigation throughout the city. Using trams and buses provides access to various urban attractions. They are a cost-effective alternative to taxis or rental cars. Trams and buses often have designated routes covering major points of interest. Utilizing local public transport enhances the overall urban exploration experience. Layered clothing is essential when unpredictable weather is expected. This is especially true in mountainous regions where conditions can change rapidly. Wearing layers allows for easy adjustment to changing temperatures. Adding or removing layers helps maintain comfort during outdoor activities. Adaptable clothing ensures a more enjoyable experience in varying conditions. Packing layers is a practical strategy for unpredictable weather scenarios. Comfortable walking shoes are essential for activities like hiking and city exploration. They provide critical support for the feet and ankles during extended periods of walking. This support helps to reduce fatigue and prevent potential injuries. The comfort they offer is vital for enjoying long days of sightseeing without discomfort. Switzerland is relatively expensive compared to other European countries. Careful budgeting is essential when traveling in Switzerland. Travelers should be mindful of their spending to avoid overspending. Dining out, in particular, can significantly impact your budget. Punctuality is highly valued in Swiss culture. Arriving on time for reservations and meetings is expected. Respecting schedules demonstrates consideration for others. Timeliness enhances interpersonal interactions. Being punctual is key to successful social and professional engagements in Switzerland. Polite greetings are essential in creating a welcoming atmosphere. A smile is a universally understood gesture of friendliness. Friendly gestures lead to positive social interactions. These interactions foster a more welcoming environment. Acquiring basic phrases in the local language enriches travel experiences. German, French, and Italian are particularly useful in their respective regions. Knowing key phrases facilitates smoother communication with locals. It also demonstrates respect for the local culture and customs. This enhances interactions and creates more meaningful travel encounters. Switzerland is a captivating destination renowned for its breathtaking scenery. It offers a rich culinary experience with its delicious and diverse food offerings. The country is characterized by a unique blend of cultures, contributing to its charm. Switzerland provides a wide array of experiences, catering to the interests of every traveler. Proper planning is essential for an amazing travel adventure. Thorough preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable trip. Effective planning maximizes your time while traveling. Careful preparation enhances your overall travel experiences. Planning allows you to fully appreciate the beauty of the destination. Adequate preparation contributes to a more fulfilling travel experience. Switzerland offers unforgettable adventures with stunning landscapes. The country is rich in diverse cultural experiences. Exploring Switzerland creates lasting memories. The beauty of Switzerland leaves a profound impact. Reflecting on the journey enhances the appreciation of Switzerland's charm. And that wraps up our travel hacks for your unforgettable trip to Switzerland. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring, helping you make the most of your journey in this stunning country. Remember, whether you're exploring the charming streets of Zurich, savoring delectable Swiss chocolate, or soaking in the breathtaking views from the Alps, being prepared is the key to a smooth and enjoyable experience. If you loved this episode, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and let us know in the comments about your favorite Swiss experiences or any tips you might have. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to channel name so you never miss out on our latest travel hacks and guides. Join us next time as we explore even more incredible destinations and insider secrets to elevate your travels. Thank you for watching, safe travels, and we'll see you in the next episode.